For now, watching Keshia TV, baby. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl Keshia Townsend, back with another banger. I'm sitting in my car, and it's my lunchtime, so I was a little hungry, and I haven't did a food review in a while, so I figured I'll break you all these chills. How you doing today? I like it. Anyway, I have a foot-long sub from the legendary Subway, baby, and we about to get it down. Got a chicken bacon ranch. I've cut it in half. We got some jalapenos to add the extra spice, and the chicken, and you see the lettuce, tomatoes, all of that, all up and I know you want, but go ahead and get you a bite. But I'm gonna go ahead and feast all up on this, and let me see what all the hype is about with these foot-long subs. Let's do this. Oh my god. Y'all know I like to eat. This is so freaking good. I'm enjoying myself. And myself is enjoyed. And I am snacking. Sitting in the car, enjoying some good eats. Subway, you did your thing, baby. You sure my dear. Now, one thing I like when I eat a sub is how fresh the bread is. That's number one for me. Got to add the jalapenos with extra spice. This is so good. God. Subway. Y'all must be looking out right every time. Fresh, bright, and stock on honey. This shit is good. Oh my god. Baby, y'all. That's on the kill beside number 2. Round 2 on the other half. This time, taking me right back to my roots. The bright is so good. The veggies is nice and crisp and fresh. My mic is going through a sensation right now. It ain't got the ain't nothing like sitting in the car stopping your mind. This shit is good. these jalapenos is hot as hell. I ain't got no complaint, but maybe that they shouldn't have put so many jalapenos because my face don't fall. But this is good. You know it's a good review when you let the sandwich talk for you. I ain't said a daggone word, but y'all know it's pretty good because my mic's still going. This shot is good. That concludes this review. It pretty much speaks for itself. All I know is this shit is good. It's so good. My mic's so hot. I was speechless. All I know, y'all need to get that else done. So and get you one of them foot longs. I don't care what flavor you get. Mine was bacon bacon ranch dressing, something with bacon on it and chicken. Excuse me. What I should have done is got me a cup of ice or something, because I am so totally parched. And I had these hot jalapenos on there. I took them all off because they was hurting my mouth and my mouth was burning. That's how you know you get a true, unadulterated review, because it's just you all up on the camera. And sometimes you forget the camera even then. Like, I forgot y'all was even here. But I hope y'all enjoyed this sandwich as much as I did. My mouth was dry and white mouth it, but now my mouth is wet and white mouth it. Okay, baby. So, let me show you these little jalapenos. I took all them off because they was hurting my little, what should I call it? They was hurting me. And they was so hot, so I took them off. But anyway, this has been another one review. A car review, a food review. Subway. All freaking day. Subway. On that foot-long level. It's your girl, Keshia Townsend, back with another review. And you ain't even know I was saying. I didn't even know you was her. I forgot y'all was. I love you. I'll see you next time. Bye. If you enjoyed that beautiful bean footage, be sure to click like, subscribe, and share, and all of that good stuff. I love y'all. Until the next video. Peace.